Today we are going to discuss about the question number 17 of exercise 11.2. In this question, we need to find the shortest distance between the line whose vector equations are what is given. Find the shortest distance between the lines whose vector equation are r vector equals to 1 minus t I cap plus p minus 2 j cap plus p minus 2p k cap, and second line is s plus 1 I cap plus 2s minus 1 j cap plus minus 2s plus 1 k cap. Okay, we need to find the shortest distance between two lines. This is the equation of first line, and let us suppose this is the equation of second line. And we need to find the shortest distance between these two lines. First of all, what we know that if two lines are given in a standard form of a line, first we know we need to represent two lines in a standard form. Then after we need to check that these two lines are parallel or skew. If these two lines are parallel lines, we need to apply the shortest distance between two parallel lines. Okay? And after, if these two lines are skew lines, we need to find the distance between these two parallel skew lines by the formula of skew line wala. Okay? Now we need to convert these two equations in standard form of a line. What is the standard form of a line? Standard form of a line equals to r vector equals to a plus lambda times of b vector, where a vector is a point vector, okay, and b is a vector which is a line parallel to this vector, okay. B is a direction vector actually. So first of all, we need to convert this equation into standard form, okay. So how we'll convert it? By multiplying I cap, j cap and k cap and t taking as a common, what will get? R vector equals to I cap plus minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, okay, and taking t as a common, minus I cap minus plus j cap or minus 2 k cap. This is the equation of a line in standard form. Equation 1 can be represented like this. Okay, similarly, equation 2 can be represented by I cap minus j cap minus k cap plus taking as a constant, taking outside s, what will get? I cap plus 2j cap and minus 2k cap. Is it clear for everyone? These are the two standard form of a line. First of all, we need to verify that is these two lines are a parallel line or skew line. Okay? What we find out? The direction vector b1 and b2. If these two lines are parallel, then the b1 can be represented in a form of lambda times of b2. Okay, is there any relation between b1 and b2? There is any relation between b1 and b2? There is no relation. Why? We are taking the coefficient of I in the first b1 vector. I1 coefficient is minus 1, and in this equation I1 coefficient is
1.
I coefficient is what?
1.
1. Okay. Now 1 by minus 1 by 1, is it equals to 1 by 2? No. So these two lines are not parallel to each other. If these two lines are parallel, then the direction vectors are related by the relation b1 equals to lambda times of b2. Okay, this is very much clear about that. These two lines are not parallel lines. Now, how can we find that? Obvious सी बात है, this is the two skew lines. Okay, these two lines are skew lines. If they are not parallel, then one option is remaining left, that is skew lines. ठीक है? We need to apply the formula of two lines which are skew lines. What is the shortest distance between two skew lines? Shortest distance between two skew lines is a2 minus a1 dot of b1 cross b2 upon mod of b1 cross b2. Okay, taking modulus on both numerator and denominator, we'll get the distance between these two skew lines. So this one is your a1 vector and this one is your a2 vector. First of all, we need to find the difference between a2 minus a1. Shortest distance between these two skew lines is what? a2 minus a1 means 1 minus 1, that is 0 I cap minus j cap plus 2 j cap, that is plus j cap minus k cap minus 3 k cap, that is minus 4 k cap. This is a2 minus a1. What about b1 cross b2? We need to find b1 cross b2 by using the determinant method. Okay, find out b1 cross b2 making a determinant I j k cap. The coefficient of b1 is minus 1, 1 and minus 2. Minus 1, 1 and minus 2. And second is 1, 2, minus 2. 1, 2, minus 2. Now b1 cross b2 vector is I minus 2 1 z minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4, that is 2I cap minus j cap. कितना हो जाएगा बताओ? Plus 2 that is 4j cap, and then after k cap means what? इसको कवर करिए. This is minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3k cap. This is b1 cross b2. Now dot by using the formula SD equals to a2 minus a1 dot. This is dot b1 cross b2. You have a b1 cross b2 like 2I cap minus 4j cap minus 3k cap divided by mod of b1 cross b2 is what? Mod of b1 cross b2 is 4 plus 16, 20 plus 9, that is root over 29. Okay, this is the shortest distance between two lines. Now we know that by dot product of two vector, what will get at here? Can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. SD, that is shortest distance between two lines, is 0 into 2, that is 0. Minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4. Minus 3 into minus 4, that is plus 12. Taking mod upon root 29. And minus 4 plus 12, that is 8 by root 29 unit is the shortest distance between these two lines. And these two lines, obvious सी बात है, these two lines are skew lines. This is the answer. Okay? Thank you.